In this video lesson, we are going to discuss chemical coordination, and chemical coordination is done by hormones in human body. Hormones are chemical substances. Hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Endocrine glands do not have ducts, so we call them ductless glands. These glands produce hormones. So there are no ducts to transport hormones. It enters directly into bloodstream, and then hormones are transported through blood. Some of the examples for endocrine glands are pituitary and thyroid gland. Let's learn further about hormones. There are specific features of hormones that we need to learn. Hormones are organic compounds, and hormones are transported through blood. Hormones produced at one site usually act on a different site, and they stimulate target organs or target cells. Usually, very small concentrations of hormones are required to do the certain actions in the human body. Let's revise the features of hormones we just studied. Hormones are organic compounds, they are transported through blood, they are produced at one site and act on a different site. They stimulate target cells or target organs, and very small concentrations of hormones are required in human body. Let's talk about the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands produce hormones, and there are several endocrine glands in our body. Some of them are shown here: pituitary, pancreas, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, testes, and ovaries are some of them. Let's see where these endocrine glands are located in our human body. Pituitary gland is located below the hypothalamus in the cerebrum. Thyroid gland is located at the base of the neck. Pancreas is located in the bend of the duodenum between stomach and large intestine. Adrenal glands are found on the surface of kidneys. Testis is found outside the abdominal region in the scrotum. Ovaries are found in the pelvic cavity. Let's learn about the hormones secreted by human endocrine glands. The pituitary secretes growth hormone. Thyroid secretes calcitonin and thyroxine. Pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. Adrenal glands secrete adrenaline. Testes secrete testosterone, and ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone. Let's see the functions of the hormones we just studied. Growth hormone in our body increases protein synthesis, and it also increases the growth of long bones. The growth of body tissues is also dependent on growth hormone. Calcitonin and thyroxine are the basic hormones released by thyroid gland. Calcitonin reduces the calcium level in blood, and thyroxine control the metabolic rate in our body. Pancreas secretes glucagon and insulin. Glucagon can convert glycogen into glucose, and insulin can convert glucose into glycogen. Adrenal glands in our body secrete adrenaline. Adrenaline can prepare the body to act in an emergency. Testosterone secreted by testes help for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in boys, and testosterone induces spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of production of sperms in males. Estrogen and progesterone are the main hormones secreted by the ovaries in females. Estrogen helps for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in girls. Progesterone helps for the maintenance of pregnancy and menstrual cycle. Let's recall what we have just learned. Pituitary secretes growth hormone, and its functions are increasing protein synthesis in human body, growth of long bones, and growth of body tissues. Next, we learned about the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secreted calcitonin and thyroxine. Calcitonin helps to reduce calcium level in blood, and thyroxine helps to control the metabolic rate in our body. Then we learned about pancreas. Pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. Glucagon converts glycogen into glucose, whereas insulin converts glucose into glycogen. Then we learned about the adrenal glands. Adrenaline is the hormone secreted from the adrenal glands. It can prepare the body to act in an emergency. Testes secretes testosterone. Testosterone helps in the development of secondary sexual characteristics in boys, and it can induce the process of spermatogenesis. Ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen helps for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in girls, and progesterone maintains the pregnancy and the menstrual cycle. Thank you for watching this lesson. Subscribe Science A Plus to see more videos like this, and if you wish to support our channel, go to our Patreon page. Thank you.